Good morning, class. Welcome to the Technology and Livelihood Education, Grade 6, Alternative Delivery Mode, Module on Types of Orchard Farms, Quarter 1, Module 3. This module was designed to provide you with fun and meaningful opportunities for guided and independent learning at your own pace and time. You will be enabled to process the contents of the learning resource while being an active learner. This module has the following parts and corresponding icons. What I need to know. This will give you an idea of the skills or competencies you are expected to learn in the module. What I know. This part includes an activity that aims to check what you already know about the lesson. What's in? This is a brief drill or review to help you link the current lesson with the previous one. What's new? In this portion, the new lesson will be introduced to you in various ways. A story, a song, a poem, a problem opener, an activity, or a situation. What is it? This section provides a brief discussion of the lesson. This aims to help you discover and understand new concepts and the skills. What's more? This comprises activity for independent practice to solidify your understanding and skill of the topic. What I have learned. This includes question or blank sentence, paragraphs to be filled in to process what you learned from the lesson. What I can do. This section provides an activity which will help you transfer your new knowledge or skill into real-life situation or concerns. Assessment. This is a task which aims to evaluate your level of mastery in achieving the learning competency. Additional activities. In this portion, another activity will be given to you to enrich your knowledge or skills of the lesson learned. What I need to know. On this module, you will learn the need to conduct a survey in one's locality and the important information one's need to find out before entering on the orchard farming business. It will also help you to learn the types of trees suitable in land areas of the locality, marketing, and layout design of an orchard farm. At the end of this module, it is expected that you will be able to do the following. 1. Conduct survey to identify A. Types of orchard farm. B. Trees appropriate for orchard gardening based on location, climate, and market demands. C. Proper way of planting, propagating trees, and fruit-bearing trees. Budding, marketing, grafting. D. Sources of fruit-bearing trees. E. How to care for seedlings. 2. Prepares layout design of an orchard garden using the information gathered. What I know. Matching type. Match column A to column B. Answer the following on a sheet of paper. Lesson 1. Types and factors of orchard farms. What's in? True or false? Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. What's new? Examine the picture. There are many things to consider if you are thinking of embarking on an orchard project. It is the most fulfilling endeavor, especially if you are successful and you harvest the fruit of your labor and earn additional income for the family. What is it? Encourage the student to read the text in full and understanding their content. What's more, conduct survey in your locality, find out the appropriateness of location, climate, soil, and market demand for common trees and fruit-bearing trees. Put a check on the appropriate boxes. What I have learned: when starting on orchard, preparation is important. Careful selection of appropriate trees according to location, climate, and market demand should be considered. The proper way of planting to scientific process of propagating required true knowledge and skill to be familiar of the procedures. The ideal site of an orchard should be planned properly from preparing the land, the planting system, the presence of greenhouse, sunlight, water supply, drainage, and knowing the characteristic of soil. What I can do: analyze the puzzle, find the 4 terms in plant propagation. Assessment: A. Identify the following sentences. B. Write S for sexual propagation, AS for asexual propagation, and both for sexual, asexual propagation. C. True or false. Write true if the statement is correct, and false if not. Additional activities: conduct a survey in your school, home, and community. Which orchard farm is suited in your school, home, or community? Describe your location. Identify the fruit trees you want to plant suited to the location. Answer in your notebook. Lesson 2. Layout design for an orchard garden. What's in? Put a check mark on practice that are good and X mark on practice that are not good. What's new? Preparing the site. The following suggestion about site preparation apply mainly to the commercial or hobby producer, but some have equal application to the home gardener. What is it? The plan showing the arrangement of plants in an orchard is known as the orchard layout. There are several systems of planting. These are the following. Encourage the student to read the text in full and understanding their content. What's more? A. Choose below the types of layout orchard. B. A layout design of orchard garden of your choice. Identify the plants that you are going to plant. What I have learned: if you choose to produce several fruit types in your home orchard, you will most likely have more fruits than your family can use. Only plant what you enjoy eating and avoid the chore of caring for more plants than you really need. Most growers prepare to arrange their orchard in straight rows for easy of working. This rectangular system accommodates more plants in rows. The plants get proper space and sunlight for their growth and development. Choosing the right pattern for your orchard project will depend on the shape, terrain, and slope of the land. What I can do: visit an orchard in your community, observe and describe the layout of trees. Do they get enough sunlight? Write your answer in your notebook. Assessment: choose the letter of the correct answer. Additional activities: through the help of an internet, search an orchard in your community. Observe and describe the layout of the trees. Write your answer in your notebook. Thank you. Happy learning!